This year is already moving so freaking fast. Let me ask you something. Are you actually on pace to hit your goals this year, or are you already adjusting them, lowering them, going backwards? Be honest, because most insurance agents, they don't fail from a lack of opportunity. They fail from drift. You started the year, maybe you started the year, motivated, focused, disciplined, excited, and then life happened. I'm talking about distractions, excuses, inconsistency, comfort. And now you're telling yourself, I'll lock in next week. No, if you're gonna make this your year, you don't need more motivation. You need a full reset. That's why I'm hosting the Comeback Challenge, and that's why I'm hosting it now. It's 3 days. It's March 31st, April 1st, and April 2nd, 1 to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, 3 hours, 3 days in a row. And this is for insurance agents, agency owners who know they're capable of more, who know that their team were built for more. And over these 3 days, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna reset your standards. We're gonna rebuild your discipline. And we're gonna create, finally, together, workshop style. We're gonna create a real 7, 30, and 90-day comeback plan that you've been needing, that you're gonna get now. And I'm not doing it alone. We're also bringing in high-level 7-figure leaders and trainers who are actually winning right now. They're winning this year. No fluff, no theory, just straight execution. And Q2 is coming whether you're ready or not, but we're gonna make sure you're ready. And you can either repeat Q1 or you can dominate the next 90 days, but that decision is yours, and it's the decision that you're gonna have to make right now. This event is also completely free as of now. But if it's not for casual agents, if it's for agents and agency owners who are serious about making a comeback, click the button below, register today, and I'll see you inside the Comeback Challenge, where we finally help you make the comeback that you've been needing to make for years. It's your time for your comeback. Register for free today.